Good morning friends, this is Padma Pavani. My channel name is B.Ed 4th semester Easy Exams. We are going to discuss on the subject contemporary education in India. In earlier classes we have discussed about the Vedic schools, Jainism, Buddhism practices, and in education in medieval period. In medieval period we have learnt the topics on Patashalas, establishment of Islamic education, maktabs, madrasas. Today we are going to learn on monitorial system. Then the topic will be finished. Here monitorial system. Monitorial system means any system to run effectively or efficiently, a system must be there. Okay, it was practiced in 19th century. In this system, elders or very experienced or scholars, they taught to the pupils in the sense the students, the learners. They used to teach to the learners. It is a very cheap way of making primary education. So that by learning all this, it increases the class size. In this, mainly in monitorial system means teaching and learning process is used, wherein the teachers gives the knowledge to the students. That means only the passive knowledge is imparted into the students. They use the basic concepts. Superior students learn from adult teachers, and those superior students, they transmit the knowledge to the younger students. The basic principles involved in this monitorial system are economy and their efficiency. Okay, some training was given to the students from head teacher, and they learn the teaching, the art of teaching by continuing their education. Here the education is not the social duty. In medieval education, in the medieval period of education, it is not a family affair. Here their ambition is to visit Mecca and to return with degree. Higher education is taught in Persian as well as in Arabic languages. The demand of degree, that means the demand of Hindi, it got decreased in this monitorial system. This is about the monitorial system. So there is a end of this topic, that is education in medieval period. I hope you understand the topic. If you want to subscribe my channel, please click on the subscribe button. You will get some bell icon. Click on it. You can get more notification on this topic. Thank you.